All right, so let's take a look at this dosage calculation problem. It says a certain antihistamine is often prescribed for allergies. A typical dose for 100-pound person is 25 milligrams every 6 hours. Now we want to answer questions A and B, okay, under this problem. Now, the first part of the question that we need to look at says that following this dosage, how many 12.2 milligram chewable tablets would be taken in a week? Okay, so let's break the question down. Now, let's look at that. It says that a typical dose for a 100-pound person is 25 milligrams every 6 hours. That should tell you that 100-pound person should take 25 milligrams per dose. Sounds good? Now, let's come back to the question. It is asking us to find how many 12.2 milligram chewable tablets will be taken in a week. Now, that means that we need to know how many 25 milligrams of antihistamine will be taken in a week. All right, so let's break this down. Now, if 25 milligrams of the medication is taken every 6 hours, how many doses will be taken in a day? Is that okay? To know how many doses will be taken, so doses in a day, that is going to be what? Because there are 24 hours in a day, you divide that by 6, and that gives you how many doses? 4 doses, and this is doses per day. So I'm going to do, let me clean this. So 4 doses per day, okay? Now, if you want to know how many doses will be taken in a week, what do? You're going to do 4 doses, right? Times 7, because there are 7 days in a week. Is that okay? And that is going to give you what? 28 doses per week. Is that okay? So keep this information. So this is a very relevant information that we need to be able to solve this question. Now let's come back to the first part of the question again, A. So this is requiring us to find tablets per week. So this is our goal, to find how many tablets can be taken per week. So that must be our final unit. So we are going to take the 25 milligrams as have been given. So we do 25 milligrams per dose, okay? And multiply that by the number of doses per week, which you already found, which is 28 doses, okay, per week. And then we are going to multiply by, it says that 12.2, right? So that is 1 tablet over your 12.2 milligrams, okay? So you notice that milligrams will take care of milligrams, doses will take care of doses. Right now we are left with tablet and week. Is that okay? So when you do this, so your answer is going to be 25 times 28, okay, that gives you 700, and then you divide by 12.2, and that gives you 57.37, okay? But the question here says that you should round to the nearest whole number, and the nearest whole number here will be what? 57. So your answer will be 57, okay? So we have answered the first part of the question. Now let's go to the B part of the problem. Are you Gucci with this? Before we go to the B part? Okay. So the B part of the problem, we will go by a similar process, but it says that this antihistamine also comes in a liquid form with a concentration of 12.2 milligrams per 7 ml. We are following the same prescription. How much liquid antihistamine should a 100-pound person take in? So we're going to do, we know how much should be taken per day, right? So 25 milligrams per dose. And then we multiply that by the amount of doses per week, doses per week. And don't forget the concentration of the medication. Now we will put 7 ml up, and we bring 12.2 mg right there. So mg takes care of mg, and then dose takes care of dose, right? So therefore, this is going to give you 25 times 28 times 7. That gives you 4,900, and then you divide 4,900 by 12.2, and that gives you 401.6. But again, it says that you should round to the nearest whole number. So this gives you 402. And that is your answer for that. Okay. Any questions? All right. Thank you. Let me know if you have questions, and do have a good day. Bye.